Hi there. Before I begin, I want to quickly say a big thank you to those who have subscribed and gotten me to and past 100 subscribers. I'm working on a video about that, and it'll be coming soon to a phone or laptop screen near your hands. Okay, let's get started. We are here in my sad bathroom, and as you can see, I'm taping it up with some nice frog tape. The paint you see on the wall is from when we moved into the house, and I think this bathroom was for a little kid. So I guess I didn't need to change the paint. Transition. Now I'm going to pour the paint into the paint gun. I try to use a soup ladle here, and then I actually decide to turn my brain on and pour the paint straight from the can. Ew. This is going to be the first layer of the light gray color. Very nice and satisfying for spectationing. While doing this wall, I was reminded of some words by Mike Posner. I drive a sports car just to prove I'm a real big baller cause I'm made of $1 million and I spend it on girls and shoes. The acoustic version, not the remix. Here comes the second coat. I was sweating a lot during this. There was sweat everywhere. But you know what they say, it takes sweat, sweat, and sweat to achieve something. Sorry for all that sweat imagery. Back to the gray. I'm running out of things to say. I hope it's okay. Rhyming accidentally. To the other wall I go. The color is dark. I hope you're enjoying the video. Beware of the clutches of a loan shark. This has been Only Rhymes No Reason. Thank you for listening. And now, you are about to witness greatness. The bathroom in its finished form. Let's get a countdown going. In 5, 4, 3, 2... Okay, sorry, here it is. This bathroom is what my soul looks like. My personality is personified best here. Okay, but seriously, we changed the sink, toiletry, and the flooring, and since those things were gray, I went with gray for the paint. Crispy.